Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by locking in domain and hosting. Do that now so you can build without interruptions. Once done, install WordPress and immediately enable HTTPS and daily backups so your site is safe from day one. Make a child theme to preserve customizations, then add an SEO plugin and one security plugin. These steps let you focus on design and content next because they prevent lost work and boost search readiness before you spend time crafting pages. You now shape the user journey. Start with the homepage grid and a clear value proposition so visitors instantly know who you are and what you deliver. Make dedicated services and portfolio pages with case study highlights and tangible results. Connect forms to email and CRM, add Google Analytics and Search Console for data, then enable caching and image optimization to keep load times low. As you build, preview on mobile and desktop to ensure responsiveness and clear call-to-action flow. Finish by running a full pre-launch checklist. Test speed, fix broken links, validate schema, and confirm mobile layout is perfect. Once launched, set automated backups and a firewall, and configure uptime monitoring so issues are caught fast. Make an onboarding doc for clients showing how to edit pages and publish posts. If something breaks, first clear cache and deactivate recent plugins. If that fails, restore the last working backup. This quick rollback is your single best troubleshooting tactic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.